Here guys, here I have some smoked herring fillets, and I'm just putting some lemon on them. I'm going to fry these up with some tomatoes and other aromatics, just for breakfast, as a breakfast dish. So below here, these came in oil, smoked herring fillets in oil. I'll show you the product that I use, a picture of the product. In here I have tomatoes, as you can see, tomatoes, purple onions, some yellow bell peppers, some white onions, and garlic. And this is what I'm going to use to just bring this dish together, apart from some complete seasoning and some bullion powder. And that's it. I'll put a tablespoon of butter in my pan here, my skillet here, and we'll let that butter melt and do its thing. And a tablespoon of avocado oil and butter. We're gonna let that heat up, and I'll be back. Now that my oil is heated and making all sorts of sounds here, we just put all these aromatics in here. And I'll give this about 5 minutes. Saute for about 5 minutes. Obviously, we're going to season these. A teaspoon of bullion powder, chicken bouillon, some complete seasoning, teaspoon of complete seasoning, half a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, depending on the heat level you want. And let these flavors all marry together. It's going to release its water and it's going to start drying down a little, and then once they get soft, it will be time for the herrings to go in. Once they get, so now it's pulling away from the pan, and that's about the time we just put our herrings in, our herring fillets. Obviously, I'm going to want to break this up a little. so that you can absorb all the goodness of the aromatics in the veggies here. Here to low, just turn my stove down to low so that it can just simmer in there and get the flavor. And I'm going to just slap a cover on there. Here guys, this is the finished product. Smoked herring fillets. Sautéed smoked herring fillets.